The beauty of the landscape was utterly breathtaking. She was utterly exhausted after running the marathon. The performance was utterly unforgettable and left a lasting impression. The food at the restaurant was utterly delicious and exceeded all expectations. His kindness and generosity are utterly unparalleled. The company's commitment to sustainability is utterly admirable. The new technology is utterly revolutionary and will change the way we do things. The impact of the program on the community has been utterly transformative. The support and encouragement from her family has been utterly invaluable. The love and bond between the two is utterly special and rare. The solution to the problem was utterly simple and obvious once it was pointed out. The beauty of the artwork is utterly captivating and inspiring. The success of the company is utterly well-deserved and a result of their hard work and determination. The friendship between the two is utterly genuine and has stood the test of time. The project was an utter disaster due to the lack of proper planning. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.